Hello everyone, welcome back to Chef Sandra Cooks. Today I'll be baking. My gingerbread cookies are sweet and gingery spicy with rich molasses flavor, crispy on the edges and oh so soft in the center. In a medium bowl, combine flour, baking soda, and all your spices. Add salt. Combine well with whisk and set aside. In a large bowl with an electric mixer, beat the butter and sugar on medium-high for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. And don't forget to scrape the bowl. Add the egg and molasses and beat on medium speed until combined. A little taste for quality control. Yummy. Gradually add the flour mixture and mix on low speed until combined. The dough will be very thick, so use your spatula to finish mixing. Divide dough in half, form into a disc, flatten and wrap with plastic. Chill the dough in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Remove dough from refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. Place on parchment paper to roll out. Roll the dough until it's about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, depending on how thin or thick you'd like your gingerbread. If dough gets too sticky, place a second piece of parchment paper on top and continue rolling. Cut the dough using your gingerbread cookie cutters. Gently peel them off the parchment paper and place them on your baking sheet. Gather the scraps and re-roll and cut. Place in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes. Let the gingerbread cool for a few minutes on the baking sheet before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. I gently lifted the head and scooped my spatula underneath so they don't break. For the icing, whisk the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract together in a small bowl until the mixture is smooth. The mixture should slowly drip. If the mixture is too runny, add a little bit more sugar. If it's too thick, add a little bit more milk. Place icing in a piping bag using the Ateco number 2 piping tip. I'm not much of an artist, so I made these pretty simple. Get creative with them. You can use candy buttons using the icing as the glue. I hope you give them a try. Bake a batch of gingerbread cookies and your whole house will smell like Christmas. Please subscribe, like, and thumbs up so I can keep bringing you more yummy videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.